Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jyoti Deshalway. I am studying in PJ School Vada and also in Chanakya Academy Vada. Today's presentation program organized by Samir Thakre sir and subject teacher Mahale sir. Today I present some information about electric motor. First of all, what is electric motor? A device changing electrical energy into mechanical energy is called the electric motor. Electric motor have discovered by Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday discovered first electric motor in 1821 at London. Faraday's electric motor known as homopolar motor. Uh, uh, Michael Faraday is known as the father of electricity. Second scientist is Thomas Davenport. Thomas Davenport invented the first electric motor in 1834. First electric motor that had enough to perform a task such as small-scale printing tests. Third scientist is Gopal Swami Naidu. Gopal Swami Naidu was born in 23 March in 1893 and their death on 4th January 1974. Gopal Swami Naidu was an engineer and their contribute in electrical, mechanical, agriculture and automobile engineering. Gopal Swami Naidu was known as the Edison of India and Miracle Man. Where are used the electric motor? Electric motor are used in fans, refrigerator, water pump and mixer, etc. Electric motor have two types. Electric motor have two types. First, DC motor. DC motors full form is direct current motor. DC motors are electrical motors that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Is called as DC motor. DC motors are used in high torque. DC motors have some examples. Some examples: robotic drivers, printers, machine tools, and many others. These motors have some functions: commutator, motor, shaft, cooling fan, carbon brushes, frame, stator winding, shaft, etc. Second type of electric motor is AC motor. AC motor full form is alternating current motor. An electrical motor that converts alternating current into mechanical power is called as AC motor. AC motor has main power is a flow of charge that exhibits the periodic charge in the coil. The speeds of AC motors are around 1800 RPM. RPM full form is revolution per minute. AC motors have such functions: cooling fans, end wheel, bearing, pumps, motor shaft, etc. Electric motor. Next topic is electric motor construction. Electric motor construction are electric motor have consist of following parts. First, rectangular coil. A large number of atoms of insulated copper wire on an iron core in a rectangular shape forms a coil A, B, C, D. Second is strong magnet. The coil is placed between two pieces, North Pole and South Pole. The sides AB and CD are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. Third part is split ring. It has two metallic rings, X and Y. The ends of the coil are connected to these rings. The outer conducting surfaces of split ring X and Y are come in contact with carbon brushes. Split ring reverses the direction of current in coil. For these brushes, two carbon brushes A and F are used to press the split ring. Fifth is axle. Two rings have coating with their inner surface and tightly fixed on axle. Axle main function is rotate with coil. 6. Battery. The battery supplies the current to the coil. The next topic is working of electric motor. When current is started, then direction of current is A to B. Magnetic force from north pole to south pole. Branch AB and CD get branch AB push down and branch CD get downward direction. Axle start rotate anticlockwise after each half rotation. Split ring X and Y are contact with carbon brushes. Current flow in DCBA. Branch of DC get downward direction and branch AB get upward direction. Loop continuously rotate anticlockwise after half rotation. Thank you.